Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character Jian step by step. I will first write it in regular script, then following one word and one sentence. Now let's write. Jian. To found. To set up. To build. Jian zhu. To construct. Building. Now check this sentence. It was rebuilt on the site of the old building. 它是在原来建筑物的旧址上重建的。It was rebuilt. It was rebuilt on the site of the old building. 它是在原来建筑物的旧址上重建的。它是在原来建筑物的旧址上重建的 rebuilt。 It was rebuilt on the site of the old building. My daily handwriting on the character 见。建 to found, to set up, to build. 建筑 to construct. Building. It was rebuilt on the site of the old building. 它是在原来建筑物的旧址上重建的。建 Please comment any words or sentence with the character 建. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.